Hello guys, this is Tech Geekle and we are here to give you a review of the Triumph HD ROM. So here we go, it's full Aroma UI and here we start. It's based on AOKP 4.1 and it's for HTC Explorer or Pico. So here it starts, it's truly amazing. Phoenix is the code name of the first version of the build. So here we go, it's Triumph HD ROM by Rishabh Raj and Aditya Lahiri, AOKP as base. Triumph HD installation, you have got to use custom installation because seriously, one doesn't simply use the original installation or the default installation in Aroma. So you see there's launchers options, Nova, Apex, Hollow and Trash Budget. So I'm going to go with Nova next. Then it's the sound mods, Megabus, Viper for Android and Clear Audio. I prefer Viper, so I'm going to go with it. Then is the font, Choco Cookie, Ubuntu and Roboto. So I suppose Choco Cookie would be the best one. Now it's for the music player, Apollo Lite and Google Play. So I personally prefer Google Play. Now for the browser or for the file manager, I'm going to go with OI. The keyboard, Xperia suits me better, so I'm going to go with the other option being Latin IME. And now there comes the best part, the kernel. Now you have a choice to choose here which one you want, without the OC or with the 800 MHz OC. So I'm going to go with OC. So go to next. And ready to install it says. Now I press install and start. So here I go with it and I press install. So here it starts. You see it's an amazing UI. It's got options for everything and you've got to use it. And the best part is that I and Rishabh Raj have made this ROM. So seems funny to do one's own video review. Just made it so that people would be well acquainted with the Aroma UI because you see there are no screenshots that I can provide for it. So here it starts. It's really fast, you see. Installing Triumph HD, extracting system things and all. So here it's done, almost done. Now it will start installing the custom things that we chose, the launcher and the fonts and the keyboards. So it's going to come, just wait. There it comes, Nova launcher, Viper for Android, Choco Cookie font, the Google Play music player, the OI file manager, Xperia keyboard, and now the last one, that's the kernel with OC. So that's it, I suppose. It's getting installed. Now just says reboot and enjoy. So next, finish. It's done. I'm gonna reboot it. It's gonna start the first boot, obviously, just like any other ROM. It takes some time, not more than 5 minutes, I suppose. So I'm gonna come back when it's about to boot. It's gonna boot now, as you can see. The boot animation looks quite good, I suppose. Depends on you, how you rate it. So it's gonna open now. So here it is, the Triumph HD ROM has booted and the installation process has been shown earlier. This you see is the default wallpaper. Triumph HD is going to leave you spellbound. Now we can show you around a bit, I suppose. The settings opens, ROM control, quick links for Triumph. You see there are many things out there. About phone sections, one we'd go to at first. Android 4.1.2 kernel version OC, we had chosen the Aroma installer, AOKP 4.1, codename Phoenix, and version 1, and Rishabh Raj and Aditya Lahiri at XDA. So that I suppose does it. Now we move to the launcher, as you see is Nova, we had supported earlier. Google Play Music, we had chosen it earlier. Viper for Android, we had chosen it earlier. So here it is. See the font is, you see, is Roboto font. Look, no, sorry, Roboto not. It's Choco Cookie font. You see, it looks quite good. And you see the ROM is very, very smooth. This is the first boot and it's working like a charm. And since we had chosen the the OC kernel, the custom one provided with this ROM, we can also overclock it. You can see here current maximum, so requesting super user access. So obviously it's going to remain this choice forever. So you can see current speed is 600, the maximum it can be 800. On demand is not what I want performance I suppose, and CFQ scheduler, and you can set it on boot and it's gonna fly. I tell you, it's really gonna fly. So it's done with the kernel thing. LED, signal, battery, notification bar, these are AOKB settings, Triumph HD settings. So I can show you more of dress wallpapers, and Triumph HD wallpapers will come up. Swag papers work with this, it's the AOKB wallpapers that you'll get there. So these are some amazing wallpapers that comes with Triumph HD. And you see there is a lot of things that you can do in this terminal emulator. If you go in that and you can type into XT, you'll get the extra storage space that will accompany you with your SD card. And the ROM is just as smooth as hell. You can see this, it's opening like anything. And so check out the thread for more info and keep hooked on to this, because the V2 is gonna come soon and it's gonna be cool, I tell you that.